Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own LLC in Oklahoma. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below on this video and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us start our own LLC in Oklahoma. And why do I recommend it? Not only because the customer support is great, the way how you can form and start your own LLC is really easy, but because I believe that we should focus as a business owners on running the business, making the money, and providing value to people, not taking care of how to start the company, accounting, administration, and trying to micromanage everything. So when you're going to be here in Incfile, you want to click here, Start My Business. Here you're going to find the LLC, and then state of formation. You want to find Oklahoma. Then you're going to have three packages here: silver, gold, and platinum. With the silver, you can have the basic package, $104, and you're going to have the registered agent service, unlimited name search, preparing, filling the articles. But with the gold version, you're going to have not only that, but you're going to have the operating agreement, banking resolution, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard, unlimited phone and email support. And then with the platinum version, you're going to have the business tax number, operating agreement, banking resolution, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard, same as a gold, but you're going to have also the expedited filling. So your LLC will be filled faster if you're going to go with the platinum version. So you choose which version you want. I recommend going with the gold one, the middle way, but again, you choose that. I will start this video with the gold. Now I'm going to add a first name, an email address, and phone number. Okay. Then when I have it, I will add a street address, city, and state, Oklahoma, and then zip code. Now when you got it, you're going to click next here. And when you fill the address and the name, and now you get option, if you choose the gold version, you get also option here to have a faster filling time for your company. So if you want, you can easily choose the 3 weeks or the 3 business days. Then you need to choose an LLC name and create it. So I will write here, let's say Marcus Marketing. Now you can have option to create whatever LLC name that is yet not chosen by anyone else. And then you're going to choose the designator which you like. Number of members, owners is like how many members you're going to have in your company. So I'm just myself, so 1. And business purpose is like, let's say marketing service for small business owners. Then when we have the business purpose, I'm going to also add an industry keyword. So industry keyword is going to be, let's say marketing consulting services. Here I got it. And then company address information. So here you're going to have an option to simply add the address, let's say office or your own, and then press next. Then you get also option to have premium service package. This is an upsell. So you can get a 25 high quality legal documents, domain name, business email address. You can get it right here. And then you can click no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity, or get upgrade and bonus. Then you see the members here. So you're going to have individual or company. So you choose that if you want to. And then you click next. And if you're representing company, you choose company and fill it out. If you're representing yourself as a member, you would just add a member. Then you're going to have the registered agent information. This is something that I definitely recommend to have with the Incfile. So you can easily Incfile as my registered agent, free for the first year. And you can have you should use Incfile. Free for the first year, guaranteed rates, all inclusive, reduced junk mail, and really the registered agent is going to help you so much. So you got it free for the first year. Go ahead and choose the option, and then you would click next year. Here you're going to have the tax identification number information, where you can simply add a name and then SSN number. So identification number, and you would choose like ITIN here or SSN, and then physical street address. The tax identification number, Incfile will apply and obtain your number from the IRS electronically, and this option is the fastest way to obtain the A number. And when you go further, you're gonna click next, and then you have option to set up like your bank account with the Bank of America, and you can have the Bank of America small business specialist contact you, or not at this time. So you can easily choose that, and then you would click next here, and then you gotta have option to have a tax strategy free consultation here, so that you can, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation for free. And this is something that you can do if you want to, but I honestly recommend it because you will learn how your LLC is taxed, how to reduce self-employment taxes, how to reduce the chance of the IRS audit. All of that you will learn, and then I would click next here. Then we identify 2 licenses for your consulting business in Oklahoma, and you can have, yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. This is something that I, again, really recommend that they are going to cover it for you and solve it for you, so you don't have to solve it by yourself. And when you have it, then you would add simply address, city, and everything, and then you would click next here again, and then you're gonna have the review order. So in a review order, you're gonna have the formation, contact, agent, company, member, all of that, and then again you would click next. And this is the last step where you're gonna have the billing information, where you can add a street address, cardholder first name, card number. So these are the basics on what you can do here, and this is how you can simply can start easily your own LLC in Oklahoma. Now, if you're gonna have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. So yeah. And also, guys, if you want to have like, let's say, if you need the customer support with the Incfile or chat, you can easily write them and ask them questions, and they'll be really happy to like reply to you. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, guys, and have a great day, and goodbye.